In this video, I am going to show you how to use MultiView on YouTube TV, a feature that allows you to watch up to 4 live streams simultaneously. This is perfect for keeping up with multiple games, news channels, or events at once. To get started, open the YouTube TV app or website and log into your account. Begin by playing any live event. Once the stream starts, look for the MultiView icon, which is usually represented by a square divided into 4 sections. Click on it to enable MultiView mode. From there, you can add up to 3 more live streams by selecting them from the channel guide or search bar. You can customize the layout by dragging and resizing the boxes to prioritize the streams you care about most. If you want to remove a stream, simply click the X button on the specific box. Keep in mind that MultiView is only available for live content and requires a stable internet connection to handle multiple streams at once. Additionally, this feature is only accessible on certain devices like tablets, smartphones, or computers. It's not currently supported on all smart TVs or streaming devices. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to use MultiView on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.